Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so our objective, we are going to be solving the problem of the day. You are going to be determining what mathematical operation is best to solve this problem, okay? And we're going to find out just how to do that by looking for keywords and key details, okay? So who wants to go ahead and read the problem for us? So who's going to read the problem for us, ladies and gentlemen? Angel, would you like to try, sweetie?
Sure.
Thank you, sweetheart.
Lilia bought 5 raffle tickets to win a game console. She spent $60. How much was each ticket?
Alrighty, thank you very much, Miss Angel. So let's give a round of applause to Miss Angel. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen. So first of all, our first step is to go back and to go ahead and highlight key details in the story, right? So far, key details. So let's go ahead and highlight those key details. Okay. Alrighty, so Lilia bought 5 raffle tickets. Okay, so Lilia, raffle tickets, she bought 5 of them. She bought 5 raffle tickets because she wanted, I guess she really wanted to increase her chances of winning by buying 5 tickets, right? Okay, she spent $60 on the 5 tickets. Okay, so she spent $50 on these tickets. How much was each ticket? I can see there's already a keyword. One of these keywords is what? What's one of the keywords that will help us determine whether we are multiplying or we are dividing? Who can tell me? Go for it, sweetie. Go.
Each.
Each. That is one of our keywords. Okay. So if we go back here, we know that one of our keywords is each. Okay. But we know that each works for multiplying or works for dividing. Okay. And we are trying. Are we trying to multiply a number? Are we trying to look for groups, or are we trying to divide into equal parts or share equally? What are we doing here in this problem? Go ahead, Ms. Cervantes.
We're looking for groups.
Looking for groups, for equal groups. So if we are looking for equal groups, what are we doing? Who can tell me? Okay. It's okay if you're, I'm just getting a chat here and it's telling me, is it okay if I send it through chat? That is fine. I know some of you are shy and some of you don't like to share aloud. It's okay. And yes, you are right. Division. Okay. Do you agree with division or disagree with division, ladies and gentlemen? Are we dividing or are we multiplying? So if we're dividing, show me a 1. If we're multiplying, show me a 2. Those of you that are telling me 1, you're right. Okay, give yourself a big pat in the back. Okay. Yes, we are dividing. You're right. Okay, so we go back. And we are going to, oh my goodness, I lost it. Okay, so what do we know? Well, I know that we are going to divide. And why do you know you're going to divide? Because we've concluded that we're looking for equal parts. Yes, ladies and gentlemen? Do you agree with me? Thank you, Lorenzo. Because I know I will be dividing because I am looking for equal parts. Okay, and you're right in the chats. Yes, your dividend, I know that my dividend is 60, and divisor, God, you guys are sharp, is 5. Thank you very, very much. Okay, what else do you know? Is that it? Do you think we have enough information to solve the problem? Okay, now, how do you plan to solve the problem? You can use partial products. You can use a standard algorithm. It is really up to you. Whatever your preference is. I like to use standard algorithm. That's my favorite. Okay? Okay, so here we go. And we are going to, ladies and gentlemen, on your whiteboard, please go ahead and please, that's right, please go ahead and write down your problem and solve it. You have about a minute, 2 minutes to solve your problem. And once you are ready, just give me thumbs up. And that is going to be when you give me thumbs up when you're done and you're ready. And then we will go ahead and show our answer, okay? Okay. So remember, she spent $60. Lilia spent $60 on 5 tickets. So just a little clue. This is how we're setting it up, right? Okay. Okay, thank you very much for giving me thumbs up. I appreciate that. I appreciate all the feedback. Gosh, you guys are fast with this one. Okay. Okay, here we go. Okay. 6 divided by 5 is how much? 1, you're right. 1 times 5 is how much? 5, that is right. 6 take away 1? I'm sorry, I said the answer. 6 take away 5 is 1, right? Getting too ahead of myself. So I divide, I multiply, I subtracted, now I bring down. Okay, so 10 divided by 5 is how much? 2, you're right. And then 2 multiplied by 5 is how much? Please tell me you know, because I think even Coco knows. How much is it, ladies and gentlemen?
10.
10, thank you. 10 take away 10 is 0. So how much was each ticket? Who can tell me? How do I know from all these numbers? Which is the number that tells me how much was each ticket? And it has a special name. Don't say the answer. Quotient. Can you say quotient? You just have to, I just can see you moving your lips. That's okay. You don't have to unmute yourself. Yeah, the quotient. 12. That means that each ticket was how much, Jonathan? Okay, give me a second. Send me a chat with that, okay? Okay, send me a chat with that, mijo. Okay? So yes, you're right. On the chat, you are right. And yes, Mr. Jonathan, but we have to finish our lesson first, okay? So the faster we finish, the sooner we can go. Alrighty? So that means that each ticket is 12. So we can conclude, and then remember, we have to check to see if we got our answer right? So we go ahead and we say, 12 multiplied by 5, okay? 2 times 5 is 10. 1 times 5 is 5, but you add 1 to 5, that makes it a 6. Okay? Does my dividend match my product? Yes, it does. So that means that my answer is correct. So we can conclude that Lilia spent $12 per ticket. Okay? Do you agree or disagree with me? Perfect. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, you are now going to go into your groups. You are going to solve the next word problem. And then you and I are going to, and then we're going to have our exit ticket. Okay? Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen.